Hi. You got a box. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Boop. Seriously, guys. He loves it. Trust me. Hi. Aww. I was too close. Let's do it again. Do it again. Hi. He's so cute. Hi. Hi. What's the matter? You twisted sideways? Hello, internet. I am taking the doggies for a little walk. And I'm going to do my 5K training. And damn, that's coming soon. Yeah, 5K training. And I think my dad's gonna come with me this time, but he'll probably just walk because I'll be jogging. And I don't think my daddy's gonna jog for 25 minutes straight. I don't even think my daddy knows I'm jogging for 25 minutes straight now. But he'll probably just walk around while I jog. And the weather right now is gorgeous. It's sunny. There's a plane flying overhead. It's probably from the Air Force Base. There's an Air Force Base, I forget what city that's in, but yeah, walking the dogs. Up to jogging at 25 minutes at a time, and it feels fantastic. Last time didn't go so well because Brandon panicked because he didn't see me and wore himself out because we're supposed to jog at like a steady pace, and he started running like at a full sprint, wore himself out, fell, hurt himself. That didn't go well. Like, physically, for me though, it went fine. And I never thought, about 7 weeks ago, when I started this. I'm on week 7 of the program, but I had app problems and something else that happened where I ended up having to repeat a day or something like that. I don't remember. But yeah, give or take 7 weeks ago, I started this, and it's kick-started like a whole healthy mindset for me. And I want to start eating healthier. Like, I know I'm already vegan, but there's a lot of vegan junk food out there, and I have no willpower when it comes to that. So I have to be better about that. Brandon and I both. About eating healthier and trying to eat out less and save money and stuff like that. I know we can do it. We just have to dedicate ourselves to it. Oh, you see a birdie? You see the birdies? You guys are having so much fun. Oh yeah, I remember what I was saying. The weather right now is gorgeous. It's sunny in low 50s and maybe up to 60 now. I'm not sure. Last I checked, like low 50s with like a cool breeze. It's like perfect for running. Cool enough I can wear long pants, probably won't get too hot, so I am. And warm enough that I don't have to wear a long sleeve shirt and my hands aren't gonna freeze while I'm running. It's nice out. It's not rainy. Yeah. Beautiful. The dogs are loving it. Aren't you? Oh, wait, there's something wrong with your harness there, baby. Hold on. Did I forget to loop you? Did I forget? Oh, I'm a bad Jenny, huh? I'm a bad Jenny, huh? Come on. What? Come on, let's roll. Let's go. Hi. That's cute. That was so sweet. Little kids just looked out the window and said hi to me from their house. I was walking the doggies. They're like, hi. I'm 4.5 years old. I was like, oh my gosh, that's so cute. Isn't that how old you guys are? About that? I think. Why are you going so fast, Dusty? Maybe he's trying to tell me he wants to jog with me. He can't jog for 25 minutes straight. I don't even think he could do a 3-minute straight. Which is like week 2 or 3 of the program. I highly recommend everyone try it. I really do. As long as you're in generally good health, you're just not active enough. And if you have any concerns, definitely ask your doctor first. But I was definitely okayed by my doctor quite some time ago to walk more and exercise more and do cardio. So yeah, like dance classes, aerobics, anything. And then I started jogging and found I actually like it, which is crazy because I never thought I'd be a person that likes jogging or running, but I do, which is so weird to me. Go figure. I'm gonna do my jog and then I'm gonna take a nice bath or shower and enjoy the rest of the day. Maybe I'll do something really girly, like paint my nails or watch a movie, like a girly movie. You know, I've never seen Breakfast at Tiffany's. I'm like, how have I not seen Breakfast at Tiffany's yet? I'm gonna have to watch it. I don't even know if it's based on a book or not. But either way, I think that sounds like a good idea. Maybe I'll watch Breakfast at Tiffany's and paint my nails and be like a total girl after I come back with my dog. Take a bath, watch the movie, paint my nails. That sounds like a nice way to spend the rest of the day. Well, it won't take me all day to do all those things, but you know what I mean. I don't know how far I am so far in the workout, but I was so mad because my shoe got untied. My daddy's over there. He's walking. I'll probably catch up to him now. I feel like I'm going faster than usual, but I don't want to wear myself out, so I don't know what to do. I'll see you guys again in a bit. Hi, Daddy. How you doing?
Good.
Doing good?
So you're gonna get all.
Hello.
So, when you get up there, you're gonna go around, come down the other side?
I don't know, maybe.
Well, I gotta know so I know how to meet you.
If nothing else, you'll see me back home.
Oh yeah, you got your keys on you?
No.
Well, how you gonna get in?
Don't know.
Hey, what's up, you guys? So I didn't film at all today because I've been really busy. Like, I worked all morning from 7 to 4, and then I had to go to school, and basically did, go for 12 straight hours. So I'm gonna go to bed soon. I just figured I'd say hi, and how was your day? You keep busy? Yeah. Yeah, got a day off I'm off the next 2 days, so there's that. Should be interesting. Anyway, yeah, I guess I'll see you tomorrow.
Hi. Hello. No. I'm in my niece's bedroom because I came to check on the cat because she's away for the weekend. Or not weekend, it's the middle of the week, but for a couple of days because it's her vacation week. And I'm trying to get the cat to sit with me. She'll accept food and water from me, but she doesn't want to sit with me right now. But she'll probably change her mind and be up here rubbing all over me any second now. I think the camera freaks her out though. But I'll see if I can get some more footage of her. That's my sandwich. You can't have my sandwich. Right there. Get the treat. Good girl. Love you, Muffin. I love you, Muffin. You're a pretty girl. You're a pretty girl. Yeah. Anybody else's cat ever do this? Crazy. Muffy. She's completely ignoring me. Muffin! 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 Hi! Hi! Ow! Hi! 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 Are you gonna let me go to bed? Hmm? Are you gonna let me go to bed?